picture this. Amidst the colorful foliage of autumn, a man and his son deciding it's high time to get away from the daily grind. So they Saturn up and head out of town. Join them as they load up the wagon, head down a winding trail, and make camp by a quiet lake nestled deep in the folds of the cold country hills. As the campfire smoke curls to the stars, sit a while and just listen to the water, the wind, and the whispers of the pines. Yes, come along, my friend, for an adventure with the outdoorsman.
I'm the outdoorsman, and today me and my dad are going camping, so let's go. Okay, we're almost ready to go. This is what it looks like. At least there won't be wood when we come back. There's a lot of acorns falling out of the tree. Mushroom. Small breakage. We made it to the campsite. It's not that bad. I like it. So, to set up the tent. Let's just got this sleeping bag. Nice sleeping bag. And I don't know, I think I might use this new one. Daddy likes the warmer one. We're laying on. Anyway, we're laying on. Okay, welcome to our bedroom. Door. Boom. There we go. Hot dog roasted. Hot dog roast. There we go. What about now?
You got the tent closed, don't you?
Yeah. It's just gonna be a little challenging to get out.
Is it bigger towards the middle?
Oh yeah. Got him around.
A little longer. Hold it over his fire there.
Okay.
Don't touch it to the wood. Does it make a little blisters on it? Hold it on there. A little more.
The perfect hot dog.
Not really. I think it be a little longer. Here.
That's mine. Your cheese bun.
There's ketchup right there. It's already open. Out of the frying pan and into the fire.
You know what's cool?
Oh man, got ashes.
Yeah. Judgment. That's way too close. That's what happens when you don't take.
What?
I said that's what happens when you don't take my advice on hot dogs. Did she literally just walk that entire way?
What's the second time? It's kind of weird walking way out here nowhere.
Yeah. The dinner of champions. Hot dog. Delicious. Okay, we went fishing. And I caught a fish, and then Daddy's still fishing, but we went fishing and I caught a fish, but he came off the hook, so I didn't get a picture of him. He was a bluegill something or other. Bluegill crappie thing. I don't know. So, it's time to cook a marshmallow. We are going to cook a marshmallow and have some s'mores. So, let me get it on the marshmallow stick, and then I'll be out there in the camera. The toasty white marshmallow. The Feastable bar. We're using Feastables. Please sponsor me, Mr. Beast. Please, please, please. Anyway, here's the golden white marshmallow. I'm a marshmallow aficionado. Oh no, I got a little ash on there. See this? This is a golden brown marshmallow. That's what a marshmallow should look like. Right there. That's what a marshmallow should look like. That's what a marshmallow should look like. Right there. Now to put the s'mores on. Assistant help. Oh yeah. Golden brown. You wish you could have it, but you can't. Oh yeah. Now it's time for the reaction. Let's try this up good. Golden brown. Yumminess from on high. From up high. Oh yeah. Yummy. Oh yeah. Found ya. One. Okay, we're in the tent and we're getting ready to go to bed, but we're gonna play some Uno. Okay, we're ready to go to bed. Okay, good night. I'm going to do a little fishing. Okay, it's time to clean up the campsite. Boom! There, it's gone. Okay, we're heading back. We made it to the car. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next adventure. Goodbye.